Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Adam, and you're watching Unlimited Options Investing. In this video, I want to talk about a stock that I think could be a hidden gem in the market. It is Callaway Golf, ticker symbol ELY. They had actually bought out Topgolf last year in November time for about $2 billion when it was actually valued before the pandemic at double that at $4 billion. So that was really intriguing. And this is actually probably one of my few stocks that I hold that's a pure play on sports, and me being a huge sports fan. And they are a premium golf company when it comes to equipment, as well as experiences with Topgolf, as well as Eli Callaway Jr., who is the founder of Callaway Golf, was a pioneer in the golfing culture. And what's particularly interesting to me is the stock on the charts right now looks like it's primed to potentially break out. So we're going to get more into that as well. And we're going to take a deeper look at the company, the stock, and the candlestick charts. Before we do, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Here at Unlimited Options Investing, we talk everything from stocks, crypto, and options, and we're investing for the long term. As well as always, smash that like button and let's get started. So Callaway Golf Company is trading at $31.04 and was up 3.6% today. Over the last 5 days, it's up 1.8%, so nothing super noteworthy over the last 5 days, but over the last month, it's up 10%. And when we take a look at the charts, what we're going to see is that even though over the last 5 days this doesn't look that noteworthy, with the candlestick chart you can actually see more information that makes me want to believe that it could be in that breakout position. It has a market cap of $5.77 billion, a one-year target of $40, with a 52-week range of 14.62 all the way up to $37.75. And one main driver when it comes to golf and growth, get it, driver? Anyway, is that it's becoming a more and more popular sport, and it's seeing a lot of growth in that aspect. So we see demand for clubs and balls remains very high, continue to see new entrants driving demand for package sets, junior clubs and women's clubs. Rounds played in June remain at an all-time high as core golfers continue to show enthusiasm for the game. And of course, they're being affected by the supply chains as many other companies are right now, but they are expected to deliver record performance for golf equipment segment this year, and they continue to believe the outlook for the golf equipment category is highly positive, with a larger total addressable market and a higher embedded growth rate. And again, talking about the Topgolf business, it was the first full quarter of Topgolf results within the ELY portfolio outperformed expectations. Same venue sales compared to 2019 continued to improve as restrictions eased, with results driven by a mix of strong walk-in sales and continued recovery in the events business. And they expect to achieve 2021 adjusted EBITDA of $345 to $360 million, a full year ahead of plan. Alright, taking a look at the candlestick charts, and guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys are seeing this as well, or if I'm just seeing things. So a few days ago, on the 15th of September, we had a big green day, opening up at just under $27 and closing the day around the 50 exponential moving average, just about $30. The next day, opening above that 50 EMA, finding support just above it. The next day was a red candle, but there was support again, and then the next few days were chop. But then taking a look over here again, we have increased volume today, able to establish a higher low at this $30 mark. We're still down roughly from the all-time highs, maybe 18-20% or so. And that's over a downtrend from the end of May of this year, and that was on no tangible news. So for me, I'm holding the stock. I was able to buy the dip when it had gone below the $30 mark. I still do plan on holding the stock for the long term, but again, this breakout does potentially excite me. If that were able to break this $32 mark over here, then our next stop could be the $34 mark, and then if we're able to break that or find some kind of consolidation, then the next gap would be between this $34 mark and the all-time highs of about $38. Zooming out and taking a look at the weekly, so we see over here the 50 EMA, so it looks like it found support at those levels, and actually dipping below that 50 EMA for a little bit, but then finding that buying pressure around those same levels that we did back in end of March of this year. And again, if we're able to break that $32 mark and able to close above this 20 EMA, it could look upwards for Callaway Golf. Let me know, guys, in the comments below if you see a potential breakout as well. It could fake out and then sell off again, but if it's able to hold this $30 mark, it looks like it could potentially find a lot of buying pressure in the upcoming months. But let me know, guys, what you think. Again, as always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video.